Hi, I'm Mahasti from the Tomato Head and Flower Head Bakery. Welcome back to our Food Gotta Cook series, where I focus on simple, fresh recipes that you can make at home. In our last episode, we made a simple, luscious spaghetti sauce. As I mentioned in that video, I love to make big batches of spaghetti sauce and put some in the freezer for when I need some in a rush. I thawed some yesterday, and I'm gonna take some of that sauce and make a baked rigatoni, which is really, really easy to assemble. So let's get started. I took half a pound of pasta and cooked it. And when I'm making a baked pasta dish, I usually cook it 1 minute less than the package instructions. So I cooked this for 10 minutes, and I'm just gonna add my spaghetti sauce. I'm gonna throw in some chopped spinach and some Italian sausage. Of course, if you're vegetarian, you can leave the Italian sausage out, or you can substitute some sauteed mushrooms or something like that. So we're just gonna toss that together. Just make sure everything is coated really well. And now we'll just set that aside for just a second. I have some ricotta cheese here. I've got about a cup of ricotta cheese. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Mix that in a little bit. And about 3 tablespoons of fresh basil that I've chopped. I'm gonna mix that all up. So I have a baking dish here. I'm gonna pour a little bit of extra spaghetti sauce in the bottom, just to make sure that my dish is nice and saucy when it's completed. Then I'll pour the pasta mixture into the dish. You can also use a cast iron skillet if you'd like. All right, so then we're gonna take this and just spoon it over on top. Just spread it around. You don't have to be very exact. Just make sure you have good coverage. Perfect. And then I have some shredded mozzarella. This is about 2 cups of shredded mozzarella, and I'm just gonna sprinkle that on top. Now that I have this assembled, I can wrap it up and put it in the refrigerator. And if I'm coming home late from work, I can just pop that in the oven and bake it off. But I'm gonna bake it off right now in a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes until the sauce starts to bubble and the cheese is browning. So everything's cooked. We're just really waiting for it to melt and get heated. It's really, really good. The basil is complementing the tomato sauce really nicely. It adds a little bit of brightness, and of course the ricotta adds some delicious creaminess to the dish. For a full recipe, you can go to our blog at thetomatohead.com. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you next time.